Hi guys, welcome back to Serita Sunshine YouTube channel. Okay guys, today we are making omena or DAGAA. These are cleaned omena, very clean. They are ready to cook. We have tomatoes, onions and dania nataka tudogo tu hivyo watu wangu. You see, this is what we are making today, and we have some vegetable oil. Let me show you what we are doing today guys. Stay tuned. So guys, tunaweka mafuta yetu hapa. Omena inahitaji enough oil. I think that's enough. Not so much. That's enough. Then cha tuongeze kidogo. That's enough. Then when it's hot, we add the omenas. Yeah, the bubbles because of the water that was in the pan. Don't worry guys. So guys, when our oil is hot, we are not curling, but I'm just spreading them. Then we wait for them to turn golden brown. No turning guys at this point. Then we add our pinch of salt guys. Yeah, remember no turning. We want the omena to be crunchy. We want it to get the crunchiness, so we have to wait before turning. Look at our omena guys. Do you see the brown color? They're beginning to get brown. Now from this point we can turn guys. At this point we can turn our omena. You see, do not overdo, just turn slowly, gently, and leave the other side to get brown. Yeah, leave the other side to get brown. Few minutes guys. Yeah, you see guys, at this point our omena is brown, very nice and crunchy. You can hear the sound. It's crunchy. Do not burn it. Now at this point we can add our onions. We add our onions and mix very well for 2 minutes. At this point, now you can add our tomatoes and stir very well. Yeah. Now we can cover our omena, DAGAA. Yeah, let's continue cooking. Look at this. This is the progress of our omena. Let's give it 5 minutes. It will be ready. 5 minutes. Look at the progress guys. Our omena is ready. At this point now you can add your dania, parsley. So guys, our food is right here. Look at this guys. Then followed by avocado right here. You see, this is our food. That's our dinner for today. My dinner for today guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.